Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kaspa. Kaspa has been having a great time over the last 1 year. Kaspa is up 2,162%. The last 1 week has seen Kaspa increase by more than 7.2%. With the market cap of more than $991 million, Kaspa is currently going through its first full crypto bear market. But you will not notice that in the chart because Kaspa has been pumping aggressively to higher prices. So are we going to see huge pumps to new all-time highs? How will Kaspa behave if we get that long-awaited alt season we have been talking about? In this video, we'll be taking a look at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin. We're also looking at Kaspa's market cap, which sits around the $991 million level. Are we finally going to see it blast above the $1 billion region? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. We're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market on a weekly time frame. A lot of altcoins are starting to have double-digit gains. A lot of altcoins are starting to finally bounce after that huge dump they had over the last 30 days. Kaspa has been holding his own in this bear market with a 24-hour trading volume of over $11 million. Kaspa is up more than 2,000% on the yearly time frame. If we take a look at the Kaspa US dollar price chart, Kaspa had a crazy pump from when it was launched in June of 2022. Right now, Kaspa is up more than 25,000%. It has basically been up only for Kaspa. Kaspa has been having a great time, going from as low as a $0.002 level, getting to as high as $0.0466. We'll have some dips along the way, but in general, Kaspa has been having huge pumps to the upside. Now, guys, will this pump continue forever, or we due one dump to gobbling town? Remember, anything that goes up very quickly have a strong chance of at least dumping to gobbling town in a future date. With Kaspa right now, we can't pinpoint exactly when a dump gobbling town will happen, but we saw Kaspa having a dump in June with the rest of the altcoin market, and since then, Kaspa has picked up, continued rallying to higher prices. The next 140 days I've seen Kaspa rise up by more than 272%. Even getting to new all-time highs. If we get a longer-awaited alt season, if we see altcoins pumping to crazy values before the end of the year, as we suspect they will do, I'll not be shocked to see Kaspa pumping to new all-time highs, guys. Alt season is when we expect to see altcoins going crazy. Right now, we are heavily in Bitcoin season. Right now, we are heavily in a Bitcoin month. A Bitcoin season and a Bitcoin month means Bitcoin is performing better than those altcoins. It means capital is still situated in the Bitcoin market. The trick is to buy altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season and to sell them when we're in alt season. Right now we're in Bitcoin season, and right now Bitcoin is performing better than more than 75% of the top 50 cryptocurrencies over the last 90 days. But if 75% of the top 50 cryptocurrencies start performing better than Bitcoin, we will call that an alt season. And I will expect to see Kaspa pumping to higher prices. I will expect to see Kaspa setting new all-time highs. How high do we expect to see Kaspa go if we get a long-awaited alt season? Yes, I think we'll go crazy, but I don't think we're going straight to $1. I think we're going to find a lot of difficulties along the way. I see Kaspa getting to as high as a $0.12, $0.13 level, but that's how I think we can go before we get one fat correction that might lead us back to gobbling town. Guys, for you to know how high Kaspa has gone over the last 18 months, you have to go back to June of 2022, and you're going to see that if Kaspa gets to that $0.13 level, Kaspa have been up more than 90,000% in less than 2 years. The altcoin market can be very volatile. You can see huge pumps to the upside. At the same time, you want to be taking some profits as we are going higher, because you might also see huge dumps to gobbling town in the nearest future. Let's take a look at some key details about Kaspa. Kaspa, which trades around the $0.046 level, has a market cap of $990 million, a 24-hour trading volume of over $11.8 million. Kaspa has a circulating supply of 21.5 billion tokens. Total supply sitting at 21.5 billion tokens. Maximum supply sitting at 28.7 billion tokens. And Kaspa has a fully diluted market cap of $1.3 billion. Kaspa is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency which implements the GHOSTDAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, GHOSTDAG does not offer blocks created in parallel. rather allows them to coexist and order them in consensus. The Kappa blockchain is actually a blockDAG. Generalization of Nakamoto consensus allows for secure operation while maintaining very high block rates. Currently, 1 block per second, aiming for 10 per second, dreaming of 100 per second, and minuscule confirmation time dominated by internet latency. Where can you buy some Kaspa? If you want to get some, guys, you can get some Kaspa on KuCoin, on Gate.io, on Bybit, on BitGet, on MXXC, on LBank, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Kaspa right there. If you take a look at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin, it has been having the time of its life. It has basically been going up only since when it was launched. We've seen it outperform Bitcoin by more than 14,000%, which means one Bitcoin invested in Kaspa when it was launched would have returned more than 141 Bitcoin when we're currently trading right now. I can still see it pumping to higher prices if we get a longer awaited alt season. But guys, remember, if we see the whole market dumping to gobbling town, you see altcoins dumping harder than Bitcoin. You see the whole market dumping to gobbling town, expect to see Kaspa losing some value against Bitcoin. But right now, everything looks good, everything looks dandy. It's pumping to higher prices. But remember, guys, I always tell you, anything that goes up very, very quickly in the future date is going to have a big dump to gobbling town. And that's just how the game goes. So the higher we go, the more profits you take off the table. If you take a look at Kaspa's market cap, it has touched that $1 billion level, but right now we're currently at the $985 million region. I believe that $1 billion level is going to be very difficult for us to crack through. But when we finally close a candle above the $1 billion level, when we finally crack through above the $1 billion level, we can easily rally to as high as $2 billion in the space of 1 month. In all season, crazy things can happen. But guys, the higher we go, the harder it is for us to multiply. At $500 million, we needed to multiply to get to $1 billion. Right now, at $1 billion, it gets harder for us to get to that $2 billion level. And that's why a lot of coins can pump harder when they have low market cap. And when Kaspa market cap sat at around $10 million, we saw it having huge pumps from $10 million to $50 million. It's a 5x pump. But for now, for Kaspa to have a 5x pump, it will need to go up to as high as $5 to $6 billion. And that can be very hard because we need a lot of capital to push the price. So we might be getting to the end of the trend, but there might still be one final pump to the upside, guys. Remember, take some profits off the table. You don't want to be buying high and be selling low. You want to buy low and sell high. You want to buy when the market is boring. You want to sell when the market is exciting, and the exciting times lies ahead of us. Only those who can take advantage of those opportunities right now will be able to sell when extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a bull? Do you expect higher prices? Or are you a bear? Do you think Kaspa has run its course and is ready to dump to gobbling town? You can follow us on social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto, on Telegram, on Facebook, and on Twitter if you want to stay up to date with the latest happening in the cryptocurrency world. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.